Hello, I'm Brent. And the person next to me, Luke. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can see us very well. But, I don't know why I'm holding that so close to my face. But, I made another channel called Brent and His Life. It was like a whole vlog. But I got a new phone and it wouldn't let me sign into that account. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel and that channel. Leave a like. But I will put a description down below. And we have vlogs. We vlog. Yeah. But, shout out to Jake Paul. Alright, I will put a link in his channel too. Well, I guess you can just search Jake Paul, but, but I want to give a huge shout out to him. He made a song in one day. Now it's like number 2 on iTunes, I think. But a diss track. And it's lit. Yeah. But, now Logan, but he made the diss track about Logan Paul. But now they're friends. Yeah. And then, just watch that video. It's pretty cool.
And they made like a song called "The Rise of the Pawns."
Yeah.
Make sure to check that out.
There's also another one called "I Love You, Bro."
Yeah.
But yeah, check that out. But I'm just like him. I'm just a kid with a camera.
Yeah.
And I hope you guys really do subscribe and like, because that'd be awesome. I know how Jake Paul's channel has grown in like a couple months, like not even that long, and he already has like 5 million subscribers.
No, 6,000.
6,000?
I mean, that's 6 million.
6 million subscribers. Wow. Holy crap. And I want you to check out his channel. It's really cool. But we're not really planned anything today. But I will be doing a video where I go to this go-kart place. It's actually really fun and everything. So I'll be sure to upload that video. I don't know if he'll be with me. No, I'm pretty sure he won't. I'm going with like my dad and me. That's about it. What?
How much is it?
For everything, it's $14.
Okay, I'll do it.
We'll see.
It's like $20.
We'll see.
But
what are we doing today?
I'm going to the store.
Yeah, we're about to buy some Fagos.
Yeah.
So I will see you whenever I come out of this ratchet store. We're in the store. I don't think we're allowed to walk. Fago. Take this. Alright, I'm walking up to the cash register. I will see you guys. I'm walking out of the store. It's so stupid. God, people in the background are so freaking, so loud. Yeah, 4 Fagos.
Yeah.
Fago.
For life.
They're like 50 cents a piece, so it's like, why not?
I think like it's 59. Something like that.
Jake Paul, I wish I lived in LA.
When we were part of Team 10.
Team 10. Yeah, I really want you guys to like check out that song. Yeah, it's like really good. Jake Paul, beat Team 10. But now what? I mean, this video's only lasts for about 4 minutes. Well, it's 4 minutes to you guys. It's really been about 8 minutes to us. Bro, I can't wait till I go kart riding.
Go kart.
It's like so weird.
Go kart.
But I will be so happy to upload that video because I don't know why. So you guys will see me drive a go kart. I went last time, but it rained, so we got a rain check. We can go anytime we want now for free, but you know he has to pay. He has to. God, my hair is like
So long.
I know.
You're starting to look like the old Justin Bieber.
Ha ha ha. So funny, I'm Luke. What do you guys say to the camera? Are you a kid from LA?
I'm the kid from Cypress Street.
Coming straight out of Tampa.
came straight out of West Tampa.
I'm just coming straight out of Tampa, you know. I come out of many different parts of Tampa. Northeast, southwest. Never eat soggy waffles. Never eat shredded wheat for the older people. Oh my god, I can't believe I did that. I like covered up the camera for like a full 3 seconds. Oh my god, look at the palm tree. So luscious. What? Is that a word? Luscious?
No. You made it word.
Luscious. Yeah! Hashtag luscious! So stupid.
Whoa.
We just headbutted a tree. Look at these palm trees. They're amazing.
Oh, my headbutt just hit.
Look at this place.
I'm on
Wow.
video me hitting this headbutt this. Oh!
That didn't look that hard. That looked like you were afraid. Were you afraid to go to this place? God, their fences are like so creepy. Can we do a transition? A transition? Is that a thing? Can we do that? Do we know how to do that? Oh, but I think we do.
This is a very weird vlog.
It is.
We got nothing to do. We have some
Transition!